How to turn on notifications in Beeple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, this is the place where you can customize and have different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Notification Preferences. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can customize and turn them on. Here there are different categories, so you can customize it accordingly. So you can simply tap on the one that you want to enable and you're all set to go. Now we can simply go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.